Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and today I was bored, so I went to town and I bought some stuff and I came home and I was like, you know what, I should build a rocket propelled knot grenade. It's not an RPG. And so I made this out of a pie tin, some popsicle sticks, an Arapa bottle, an airsoft ammunition grenade, some firework fuses, a lithium polymer battery from a hoverboard, a toilet paper roll, 2 used Sprite bottles, and some mineral terps and dye. And now I have this cute little adorable missile. Isn't it cute? It's so adorable. It has this little neck choker so that it can sit here, and it's got this lovely liquid pretty powder, I'm going to call it, that makes the ground look cooler when it impacts the ground. And then over here we have the trigger wires. These two ones, these shouldn't actually be tethered here, but if I just lay this down over here, if we touch this this yellow wire and this blue wire together, we get a nasty little spark there. And if we were to touch these two, I'm just kidding, I'm not going to do that, that would be really stupid. Anyway, as you can see over here, we've got a little slit. This is for the tracer beam, so you can see it at night, see where it is going. Over here we have, you can see this is just a LiPo battery. It's a 18650, a little purple one. And here you can sort of see the little tracer thingy. And then over here we have the fuse that goes into the separation round, which makes this bit go wee away from this bit. So this one will go boop and boop whatever you are aiming at on the nose with a lovely warm hug of destruction. And then this little separate bit will shrapnelify, I mean turn into lots of little hugs, and then this one will cause this one to go that way, so it'll go boop onto the nose and then I mean hugs, and then it will do the same the other direction. And then over here we have the tube of deliver to sender or return to sender, depending on the scenario. It's a little charred from the test fires, test deliveries. And over here we have a little chamber where you can keep your spare ammunition or your igniters. And then over here we have the zoom in to see where we are delivering the warm hugs to. And basically this thing just slides nice and perfectly in here, and when you're really ready to do it, you squeeze this thing in and it locks it really tight. That goes all the way back down here, and then you just press the little igniter thing, but it's not currently wired up. Anyway, that's my little project. To anyone who would want to confiscate my warm hug delivery service machine, let me remind you that I have a warm hug delivery service machine, so don't do that. Anyway, bye.